taon yan! Staycation!
Birthday, Mommy.
Birthday, Mommy! Kararating lang namin dito sa hotel. Hotel ba to?
Resort.
Resort pala. Tapos si Daddy dahil napainom kagabi, sumasakit yung tiyan. So sasama ka ba siyan sa amin? Bye! Okay, let's go. Ang sarap lumabas, guys. Kasi meron akong tagapag-alaga. Dito kami kakain, baby, seafood and grill. We're gonna get this. Yum! Bait po tayo. Walk to mommy. Walking walk. Walking walk. We are done eating. Medyo hindi ganun kasayak. Tapos yung anak ko nag-Singapore pa. Ano ginawa mo doon? Babalik na tayo. Kawawa naman si Erwin doon. Mag-isa lang siya. Hi, baby! Punta na kami sa San Juan. Pagkatapos namin kumain, sinundo lang namin si Erwin. Guys, look at our view. So, ito yung room namin pagpasok mo. This is a family room. Initially, meron lang siyang 2 queen beds. But, since madami kami, kumuha ko ng isang extra bed para dun sa brother ko. Fridge, air-conditioned, may fan, wardrobe, tapos maganda yung CR. Yung hotel na to, or resort na to, malayo siya sa usual na pinupuntahan sa La Union, which is yung San Juan. This is in the city of Bacnotan, which is around like 20 minutes drive to San Juan. So, the good thing about it is very calm dito, tapos tahimik. So, if you're not into the gimmick life, if hindi ka sa nightlife, ganyan, you will surely love this one. And as you can see, as in parang kami lang yun nandito. See? Tapos, this is beside VG Bakery. Are you going to swim in the water? Huh? Are you gonna swim?
Walk, walk. I'm in the swimming.
Kainan na. Bumili kami ng rice sa Jollibee. Lechon manok. Liempo. Tapos another liempo. Liempo. That's good. VOV. You are at Tres Marias. Behind the scene of this. Paano? Isama mo to. Parang kaya. Hi! Swimming time. Tapos si Erwin tsaka si baby tulog na. Ang cute mo dito! Si Victor. Haldagin mo. Tawang-tawa yan. Galaw-galaw, Jay. Galaw-galaw. Bili. Oh! Isa pa.
Nagtatawa na yun.
Good morning!
Good morning, guys.
Lening B. Boy pick up.
Boy back up.
Wasyak na wasyak. Ito, bagsak na bagsak. Bossing. Bossing. Bossing.
Good morning! Good morning! One more. Good morning! We are heading to the VJ Bakery, which is just beside the resort, and this is where we will eat our breakfast.
Hi,
Hi!
welcome to PG.
Good morning! Aesthetic. Mangantana, we have danggit, and we also have bangus. Danggit. Hmm? You have the choice of juice or if you want coffee. Oh my god, ang sarap! Bumalik na kami sa kwarto, ang lamig. We are going to check out na. Morning! Check out na po kami. Walk na, walk na. Walk, walk, walk.
Nakawawak pero yung tingin niya nakasagilid.
Ay, good job. Good job. Chick boy ka.
Mami, buto mami. Ay!
Ay.
Doon ba talaga?
Siyempre, kapag galing ka sa La Union, matik, kailangan mo dumaan sa...
Marie's dried fish.
Oh. Meron silang mga bagoong, sile, ano yan, suka, babe, ikaw naman. Siyempre, dried fish, at meron din silang...
Shabu.
Yan, may pa-frites.
Mayabang si ate. Mayabang si ate. Yan ito.
2,000. Tapos, ang dami pang freebies. Ayan. EM dried fish. To complete our La Union trip, andito na tayo sa last stop natin, Our Lady of Manawag Church. Smile! Hey, smile, babaw!